Hello dear fans. What is ampere? The unit ampere is used to measure electric current throughout the world. But few people think about why this unit of measurement received just such a name. The unit for measuring the current strength ampere got its name from the name of the French physicist Henri Marie, according to another transcription André Marie, for the period from 1775 to 1836. The main area of his activity was the study of electromagnetic phenomena, while he established, in particular, that the strength of the magnetic field created by a conductor with a current depends precisely on the strength of this current, and not on the voltage. It is for this reason that the unit of current is named in his honor, and not any other electrical quantity. Henri Ampere was little interested in other areas of physics. Nevertheless, it was he who invented the term cybernetics, and not at all Norbert Wiener, who only gave it a new meaning. The term kinematics, meaning the field of physics, which is studied in all secondary schools even before electromagnetic phenomena, was also coined by Ampere. He also studied botany and even philosophy. If you place two infinitely thin wires in parallel in an airless space, place them at a distance of exactly 1 meter from each other, and pass a current of 1 ampere through each of them, they will interact with each other with a force of 2 by 10 to the -7th power of newtons. At the same time, 6,2415093 by 10 to the 18th power of electrons per second will pass through each of them. Ampere is associated with other units of measurement, volt, ohm and watt. If a voltage of 1 volt is applied to a conductor with a resistance of 1 ohm, a current of 1 ampere will flow through it. At the same time, a power of 1 watt will be released on it in the form of heat. If different units are used to measure length and weight in different countries of the world, then volt, ampere, ohm and watt are accepted as the official units of measurement, respectively, voltage, current, resistance and power in all countries of the world without exception. Thanks for watching.